I always liked art. Like, literally, I found a kindergarten book and I said that I wanted to be a house painter, but like physically paint the outside of houses. From there, I just always pursued my passion. I actually talked to a guidance counselor and he actually was like, go for it, just go do it. So I went into Fanshawe Fine Art and then I went off to NESCAD University and majored in painting. My paintings have kind of stemmed from my love of illumination, night, rain, so the whole landscape coming together in this great kaleidoscope of colors. My pieces have a lot of layers to them. They start with like a base coat of gesso, then they go to acrylic wash. From there, it's just layers and layers and layers of paint. And sometimes working on that, it's kind of frustrating because you get to points in my painting where I'm like, all right, this is not coming together. For me, like the most satisfying moment is when I feel like I'm done and I step back and I can actually physically step back from the piece and everything just comes together. I'm like, wow. It actually looks like I had envisioned it. Hi, I'm Tabitha Verbuyst and I am an oil painter and ink and watercolor artist.